which is equals, so that's the equal sign, and then I put the median number. All right, open brackets. So I want the median number from here up to here. Okay, I close and then I hit enter. So the median of all this is 8, which is this. Proving that right or wrong, we come here to prove it right by arranging all this from the smallest to the biggest. So this will be on order paper would be, let's have our side work here, would have 2, okay, then we have 2 again, we have 2 again, then we have 4, then we have what else is next to 4? Okay, 2 is 3 times. 2 is 3 times here, here, and here. So here we shall have 2. Then here we have 4. And then we have what else? 8. 8. Sorry. We have 8. Then next to 8 is 10. Then next to 8, next to 10 is 15. Okay, it's 10 2 times, 10 here and 10 here. Then next to 10 is 15, and then next to 15 is 20. Okay, so in this case we are looking at the median. I remember those days we could cancel one by one, left and right, to find the middle number. So here would be this one will go with this one, then this one will be cancelled. Okay, let me remove them. This one, number 2, will be cancelled with number 20. Number 2 again will be cancelled with number 15. Number 2 again will be answered with number 10. Number 4 will be cancelled with number 10. So leaves our middle number as 8, which we have got here on the median. So I think that one has been proved right. So computer helps, Excel helps to simplify that. Rearranging, it does it, and then it gives you the answer. So the next is mod. Mod is more of frequency. Which number is appearing very many times? Still we'll do that. We say mod, okay, mod, open brackets. I want the number which is appearing many times in this range. I close, I hit enter. Then our mod is 2. And if you look through this, you find that 2 is appearing more than any other number. 2 is appearing 3 times. 2 is appearing more than any other number. So this is our mod of frequency. Then the other one is concatenate. Concatenate simply means joining 2 separate values together. So if maybe I had here, can for instance put here maybe I can use a name, okay, can use a name maybe, and then another one here, okay. So to concatenate, simply bring these 2 numbers together, okay. So I'll simply come here and say equals concat. I open quotes, then I get my range, I close, I hit enter. Oops, what's happening? Okay, so I come here, I put my comma, alright, hit enter. Still not coming. I think I've made up a fault somewhere. So I come here and say equals concat. I open quotes. Okay, let me finish the whole thing. Concat net. Okay, and then I open quotes. Text 1 is here, comma, text 2 is here, and then I close my brackets. So you can see that the 2 words have been merged together. And if I want space in between, maybe I can have this moved here. Okay, then I go and repeat my formula, which was here. So here I'm beginning with this, then I put a comma, I come to this space, then I put a comma, I come to this, then now I close my brackets, and then I have my answer here. Okay, so that's how we do how we concatenate the values. Let me see if I can select all and it works. So here, if I chose this like this, testing if it will work. Oh, it doesn't work. Alright, so that's how we concatenate numbers. Now if I come back down here, I want to look at the if. If helps to bring the logical part in Excel. Now let's say maybe here I have maybe I have maths, and then here I have maybe excellent, maybe present. Okay, so I want to use the if function in this row here. So I come here and say if this is maths, this is C15 is equal to, I open quotes, if is equal to, here I'm saying if C5 is equal to maths, so maths comes in my quotes. Okay, sorry, I forgot the if. So I come here and say equals if, because we are on the if function. So if, okay, now if this, if C15 is equal to, open quotes, if is equal to maths, okay, then my correct value here will be present. All right, and present should also be in quotes, so I come here and put open quotes, and then I put present. Okay, present, in quotes I put present, then I put comma, or else if it's false, what answer should it be? I can put if it's not that, then false, and I close my brackets, I hit enter. So here if it's maths, then it should be present. So let's try putting here maybe Joshua, and we see, you see, so if it's this is Joshua, then my statement here is going to be false. But if I put here maths, it is going to be present. That's what we can do with if functions. All right, now we are also going to go to count if. Okay, count if. Here we can have our simple illustration with count if by beginning with equal sign, then we say count if, open brackets, count if we get the range from here up to here. Okay, then the criteria, count if count criteria, count if 10, count if from the criteria there is 10, and then we close, we hit equal sign. See, so it's going to, that formula counts in from all these criteria we have given it, it looks for 10, and then from the criteria it has given us that there are only 2 10s, there's 1 10 and 2 10s. So that's how the count if works. Count if from the criteria 10. Okay, so it looks through the criteria and counts only cells with 10. There are only 2 cells with 10. That's how count if works. Then we also have VLOOKUP. Okay, this one looks up from what is required, and then gives the corresponding answer in the next cell. So here we come and also say equals to VLOOKUP, okay, open brackets. So let's say here, before we go to the formula, let's have some cells arranged here. Let's say here I have maybe I have two boys. One is called Joel, another one called Israel. Maybe Joel and Israel, and then Joel and Israel here, maybe Joel is a man of blue, and then Israel is a man of red. Okay, so with the VLOOKUP, it looks up for what is here and then gives the answer corresponding to the cell here. So when I come here and say equals to VLOOKUP, I open quotes, brackets, I look at the value. Which value do I want? I want Joel. Okay, now if I get Joel, I look into the array. So I put comma, I look into the range. This is my range, and then I also want to get my answer in column 2, and then I close my VLOOKUP. I hit enter. So if here is Joel, then it's going to give me blue. So if here is so that's how it works. Let me see. If here is Moses is nowhere and is not anywhere. If here is Israel, it gives red. Okay, so if here is Joel, watch here, watch the side, it gives me blue. So that is how the VLOOKUP looks like, or works, or how it works. Then there's also SUMIF. Okay, SUMIF works in this way. We're on this one. I make it red. SUMIF works in this way. So I can say equals to SUMIF. All right. Look at our range. So we give it a range here. This is SUMIF. Okay, that's our range. And we come and say equals from that range. Then we give criteria SUMIF, sum of this, if sum is 10. Can put a comma, and then we say 10. Yeah, then we hit enter. Okay, so it searches through that. It searches through the whole range which have been given here. So in this range, we said add up something from our formula, add up something from this range if it is 10. So here, from what we selected, it only chose the 10, which is here. There's one 10 and another 10, and then it gave us 20. So that is how we use the SUMIF function or formula. Now lastly, we want to look at the current time. How do we get the current time in Excel? You just come here and then you put equals now, open brackets and close, hit enter. You get the current time and then the date. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and we shall catch up more in the next videos for advanced Excel formulas. Thank you so much. I remain Isaac Matsanga, and I told you my email address is isaacmats@gmail.com, or you can still reach me at www.isaacmats.com, or even find more videos at kawa.ac.ug. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up next time. Bye bye.